Hola, ni hao, shalom, bonjour. It's me, Amber Nicole, your favorite diversity specialist. It's November 16th. Do you know what today is? Do you know what today is? Y'all, it's like they've created the day just for me. That's right. You're not saying things. It's the International Day of Tolerance. In 1996, the UN General Assembly adopted Resolution 5195, proclaiming 16th of November the International Day of Tolerance, a day that we are supposed to appreciate, respect, accept all of the rich diversity that simply makes us human. International Day of Tolerance is supposed to remind us to look for the humanity in everyone. Currently, there are so many conflicts in Gaza, the Congo, Ukraine, that want to simply read the first part of the preamble, bearing in mind that the United Nations Charter states, "We, the people of the United Nations, determined to save succeeding generations from the scourge of war, to reaffirm faith in fundamental human rights and the dignity and worth of the human person." So let's honor today and even the lives being lost in each of those conflicts by being tolerant and accepting of each and every person that you encounter today. All right, I'm Amber Nicole, your favorite diversity specialist. See you next time.